Gravitas is the distillation of the most essential nutrients of the Stony Brook School.
What Gravitas is doing is making Stony Brook education available to everyone, everywhere, wherever they are.
People think that online school is different than regular school, but the course load is still as rigorous as in-person school. And I think the support from teachers and faculty and all that from Gravitas was amazing for me. Very excited to finally graduate.
Gravitas really gave me the advantage of always being in airports, flights, and still having school on the go. I never just sat and listened to a lecture. We were always talking and working together, which I really loved.
Having teachers that really care about you, even if they are in an online setting, and teachers who care about the state of your soul as well as your academic pursuits is really, really awesome.
Originally, I'm from Ukraine, from Kyiv, so I wanted to be adapted to this American curriculum. It's truly adjustable to time and to circumstances of family. It's absolutely new experience for me, and I didn't expect online school to be so powerful.
The teachers at Gravitas are very caring and they're very supportive. All of these academic support has actually helped me just to even apply to some of these amazing schools.
I'm headed to Colorado State University,
New York University,
Penn State University,
University of Richmond.
I'm headed to Princeton because of the Gravitas advantage.